star boy. Okay. Bring out your sword.
Yes, sir. Wait, what character am I? Oh, Yoda.
One of the Bacta tanks because dinner is about to be served. Mouth-watering warriors gather ready.
Wait, how did I not hit him twice? That should. I can't see anything because of boss.
God.
Okay, we killed boss. He was trying to be a DPS character.
Right. Oh, better than that.
Oh no, I'm almost dead. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, all right. Nope. Back off. Die. Yes, sir. I pushed him off.
Back up too. You almost came back up too.
Skywalker. No, no. Okay.
Where did boss go? I found him. Got him. Oh, that's a Kylo. That is not a boss. That is very. Oh, that's a Vader. Whoa, where's team? Where's team? Where's team? Where's team?
I'm killing. Killing. No, no. Frick. Oh, boss. And freaking. Where did the boss come from? I could have killed him.
Oh my. I'm changing characters. I can't use Yoda. I can't use Yoda.
This is it.
This do be where the fun begins, but damn, you just.
I sent him over to you. Behind you. Behind you. Behind you.
I thought there was someone else behind me, because I was just gonna fool with my boss. I thought Boba was.
Nah.
Nope.
I
He's
sent.
in front of me.
I
I'm
can't
blind
see
now.
anything.
Yeah.
This is not good content. I can't see. Crap. No. Oh no! I just fell off.
Rip. I think Obi-Wan's getting his ass kicked right now. Yeah, he definitely just did. Who was fighting him? Oh! That's probably who.
Oh! Get away! Get away! Okay. Honestly, they need to come up with Battlefront 3 soon.
They have no plans for it, man.
They need to have some plan.
Oh, please tell me that's not gonna kill. And it does. It did.
Dang! I blocked that.
My stamina was out.
Oh dang! Maul killed me.
I should probably look into like using perks that increase my stamina. I will stand in this gas and beat your ass. The unintentional bars that went with that though.
I'll face him myself.
It is still a part of you.
Anakin's still part of you. Let me beat him up. Ah, no!
Golly, you guys are like having a party in here.
Maul is pretty good.
I got Maul. Who else is in here? Oh, no one else. I'm coming back out. Where'd he go?
Ooh.
Oh no!
Oh no! 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 Oh, I got frozen. Oh, that saved my life. Actually, me getting frozen, I almost slipped off the edge, and he saved me.
Nice. Prince, you're gonna fall. Oh snap! Oh snap! Beba. Boba just saved himself.
Beba.
Beba, come back.
You can blame it all on
He died.
blame it all on Aiden. Cause
Oh, I didn't got it.
she's
got Boba.
123.
Aiden got me too.
Oh,
Damn.
yeah. I'm trying to kill this Boba, but he keeps running away.
Boba,
Get
stop.
back here. Get back here.
Stop. I knocked him out of the air like twice. Oh no.
No.
I'm still chasing the Boba in your own.
That sucks.
Boba, even if I can't see, I'm gonna beat that ass. Bro, the amount of times I knocked him out of the air, he just won't die.
No. And the amount of times Aiden's destroying me.
Dang it! I had freaking Boss and Boba. I was trying to take them both out. They're both low. I just, like, my health is destroyed.
Facing Kylo and Boba right now. And a little bit of Aiden, too. No! I keep falling
How does
off!
she roll at the perfect time? That is...
I keep falling off.
Oh my. Come here, Boba.
That's crazy.
Jeez. Jeez. Look at him.
Oh no, Aiden. No, I need a little help from Aiden. Cause she is
Stop, Boba.
destroying me. Oh god.
Aiming for boss. Did Boba spawn behind me? Oh no, that was boss. That makes sense.
No! Ooh, Aiden, I need a little help. Oh no.
Oh my
He's
bad.
so-
That was
He's so good.
the Aiden.
Yeah. Not good enough, but like
Oh, that's Kylo. I don't want to play Kylo. I'll let Obi-Wan do that. I'm trying to find Aiden. Almost had Boba again. Ah!
Oh wait!
Ah! Oh!
How did he dodge my push? He should have dodged it. Come here. Come here. Come here. Be gone. Oh wait, I thought that was Boba, but it was Boss. Because they were both flying at the same time. And I couldn't see anything.
I need my abilities! Where are my abilities?
Oh, behind you. Oh. Boba might come behind us.
I ain't worried about Boba.
Bubba?
I ain't worried about Boba. Me wanna
He just runs away.
throwing this Boba.
Boba just runs away.
Yes. It's a very Boba thing.
He
Freaking
was coward!
Damn it.
Coward!
Running like a coward! Oh, look at him running to his friend Boss. Now we have to murder both of them.
Look, Boba. I need you to
Really?
fall over and die.
Is this worth your life?
Yes, is this worth your life? Just give up.
Alright, yeah, you keep messing with Boba because I'm about to come and help you. I'm right here.
You see, I'm fighting too. And I
Don't
just
worry,
got blown up.
Oh, you're dead? You died from that? I got Boba.
Yeah, I got blown up from his grenades.
I finished Boba.
Vader.
I'm gonna be Grievous.
Cause if I get in the pickle, I go crab mode.
You go sicko
My
mode.
maker used
I
to
go
say,
sickle mode.
nothing more
Attack!
warriors.
Where is he going?
I don't know, but they're all together.
Moses?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
I need help.
Imagine.
Oh my god, I need help.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was kind of busy. He's so close. He's like 6 health. He's 6 health. Kill. Yeah, thank you. Oh my gosh, you just one tap.
Where the heck did Luke come from? Why am I always getting attacked by random people?
Okay, we gotta. Oh wait, which way? Oh. Yo. Okay. Coming in. A sweep. Team sweep. Look at this. Look at this.
We are overpowered as a unit. Where did wait,
Over
I thought
here.
there was someone-
Yes, we need to stay sticking together.
Alright, we're getting blasted by Leia right there. That is rapid fire. Oh, that
What?
is-
How? How? Tell me how. What?
Oh, you died?
died. I think.
I got like both of them. Yeah.
I'm confused.
I am confusion.
It's time to.
How the heck did Leia survive that? That's kind of bogus. Oh no! I can't help you. I'm out of stamina. I'm out of stamina.
No, it's okay. I gained some stamina. Thank
I might need help with Leia.
you. I'm currently 1v1ing. Okay. Oh.
You're now 2v.
Oh no! I killed him, but I have no stamina. That's the thing.
I'm getting blasted and my stamina's gone again. I feel like I just
coming. I'm coming.
You're about to 1v3.
I'm Darth Vader. I can 1v3 anyone. You know how plot armor works?
Bro has plot armor.
I have the plot armor. Choke. No, I was choking him and she just came out nowhere. Snipe.
Oh my god! How did I get knocked this high?
I saw that. Snipe. While you were fighting.
Oh my god! How did I get knocked this high?
Yes, he came behind you. And just...
I'm about to die. Leia's about to. Yeah, Leia's at like 11 health. Are you serious? Freaking rapid fire.
I got assist for knocking him off the edge.
That happens sometimes. I'm gonna kill Leia because she's at like 11. I'll be like,
Okay, I'll kill her. Oof. Oh my gosh.
okay, I got it. Okay.
Oh, we're getting destroyed. Oh no.
We are. But
I thought we-
I didn't want to change because I'm like close to leveling up to Grievous.
Same, but I was doing pretty good.
I mean, I'm doing decent. I'm not doing great, Why did he think that was working? What? Oh, how? I was blocking.
I saw that.
Why does my stamina go out so fast?
I have every time I kill someone, my stamina. Oh no! You
We
see?
got the top 2 on the villains though.
You see? We could have done better.
We could have done better,